Hi, my name is Jason. I'd like to show you a few things about ThinkorSwim on TD Ameritrade and how to trade in the extended hour sessions. The pre-market runs from 4 a.m. until 9:30 a.m., of which TD Ameritrade on the ThinkorSwim platform lets you begin trading at 7 a.m. all the way until market open at 9:30 a.m., and then it begins the normal session. And then after hours at market close at 4 p.m., you can still trade from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the post-market session, and there's a few little tricks that allow you to do so. So here I've got just a normal chart on a stock, and to get to the settings that allow you to trade after hours and pre-market, open up the active trader button on the right side, and then there's a few things you'll need to do. If it's minimized down and you can't see all of the options or it's too small, extend it out, click on the little arrow there so you can see everything. Next would be to add the ability to trade after hours. Click on the little cogwheel, scroll down the list on the left, and you want TIF, or time in force. So go ahead and select that and then click Add Items. Click OK. And now you'll see that it's got TIF Day, which is the default, and it normally just accepts day orders. But if you click on that and change it to GTC EXT, that's a good to cancel, including the extended hour setting, now you're actually turned to where you can do trades after the normal market hours and before them. So as you can see, the current time up here is 7:58 p.m. I just have a brief amount of time I can do this for. But let's say I wanted to make a trade on this stock. Now that this setting is there, that means this order is going to go in and it will fire off. Now, mind you, you can only use limit orders during the pre and post market sessions. Stop limits, stops, none of that works, only limit orders. So different ways to do this. If I wanted to buy in, if it hit 1050, I could just do the old right click and place a buy, and then it confirms down here. It makes you review the order and make sure you're happy with it. And then I'll click send. So now that order is sitting there in the post market, and if the price actually got down there, it would fill and I would own the stock. You can also adjust it up and down. See, each time it is confirming, which in a way is good, but sometimes you need to move fast. So to move really fast, you can turn on auto send. Just be really careful with it because the orders take effect right away. So as I move it, it's done. So that order's in, that order's changed. That's changed. If you like the auto trader, you can actually go here and look at the difference between the bid and ask, which they're asking here and they're bidding here, and orders will fill if they hit the bid or if somebody hits the ask. So just to show you, I'm going to go way down where it won't fill, and I'm just going to click, because auto send is on, it'll go in right away. But let's say I like at 11:46. I click a button, that order's in there, and then you can also move it around as well in there. So that shows you how to do it. Those orders will fill. Just be very careful because things move really quick during that time and you can't place stops to get out. So if you're kind of stuck and you have to get out, the flatten button doesn't work, the market buttons don't work, but you can basically just go in the column here, like if you own the stock and you want to sell, see how it says sell 200? The reason it says 200 is because I've got that as my order size here. If I were to click it on this person bidding at that price, it would instantly sell because there's bidders there. Well, actually it shows one, so there's only 100 orders that are ready to be filled. So, you have to line up with how many people are willing to buy at what price. But if I were to click it right there, it would sell instantly. Or I could click up higher. I think you have to hold the control key, and then it will sell as a limit order, and it will only sell if the price reaches that amount or higher. The market just closed, so I can't demonstrate that. But at any rate, you are now able to see how you can trade in the extended hour sessions and possibly make a lot of money. Just be very careful. Things move quick. Sometimes they move so fast it's hard to get your order in at the right price before it's already left the price. But there's also an opportunity to make lots of money when you're good at it. So I recommend that you watch some videos on how to use the active trader. Or if anything, you can still just right click, buy, and then the order's in. If you like confirmation, turn off auto send. So hopefully that'll give you some more insight on ThinkorSwim and give you some more tools to play with. So happy trading. If you'd like to see more videos, give me a like or subscribe, as I'd like to make more videos in the future. All right, thank you. Happy trading. Have a good day. Bye-bye.